So the next command which I'm going to explore is traffic share. Let's go back to router 7 and see the scenario that we have. At router 9, I just removed the offset list, so everything goes back to the original configuration that we had after adding variance to router 7. So now from router 7 to router 10, I have these two paths, and because I changed the delay on one of the interfaces, one of them would be installed, but because of variance, now both of them are installed in our routing table. But before doing anything, what I'm going to ask you is to click on that subscribe button. Also, there is a bell button there. If you click on that and activate that, anytime that I post a new video, you're going to receive it as soon as possible. Give me a thumbs up too. That's going to encourage me to create more of these kind of videos for you. Let's go back to here and type show IP route. Like I said, I have removed the offset list, so everything goes back to normal. This is 10, 10, 10, 0, and as you can see, I have two paths here. One of them has 435,000 something, 200. This one is 435,400. They are both here because of the variance value that we use in our running configuration. So if I just show run section router EIGRP, you can see the variance is set to 2. Now let's say that I want these two to be in my routing table. They are in my routing table and they are using to load balance, but I don't want to load balance. What I want to is to have these two in my routing table, but only use this one. What can I do? There are some scenarios that this one might fit in, but most of the time you do not really care about this. But let's say that I had to use variance, but I want to use only this link. So for this, what I need to do is to go for traffic share min command. So I just go to here and I go to router EIGRP 100 and I'm going to type traffic share, and then I'm going to say balance or min. So minimum is the one that we are going to use. It says all traffic shared among min metric paths. So this means that the minimum metric is 435,200. This is going to be used for my load balance. But before doing this, let's check it. So if I trace 10, 10, 10, 10, I can see that it goes through router 8 and router 9. So both of them are going to be used to traffic share. So I'm going to press Ctrl-Shift-6 to abort the command here, right? So I'm going to go and use traffic share min, and after that, of course, you can have across interfaces and hit enter. Now that I have done this, again, I'm going to show IP route 10, 10, 10, 0 to show you that both of them are installed here. But now this one is the best one. This one that has the minimum amount. And I'm going to try to trace it one more time. And the result is interesting. It says that although the other one is here, I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to share the traffic over that. Only this one, which has the lowest value. You see that? This one is going to be chosen to get to the destination. So why would we use variance and after that traffic share? Like I said, we want this to be in our routing information base. In case that this path has some problem, for example, it's flapping, it's not working just fine, there is a problem with that. The other one is right there to be used as soon as possible. We are not going to go through making the route active and trying to find the best path one more time. This is what we do using traffic share